Our journey initiates in the serenity of nature, where a seemingly inconsequential egg, no bigger than a grain of sand, harbors the potential for an extraordinary life. This egg's story unfolds into that of a butterfly, but it must first navigate the world as a tender caterpillar. In the quiet of the undergrowth, amidst a careful selection of leaves, the future of a butterfly begins with the placement of its eggs. This act transcends reproduction. It's a beacon of hope for the coming generation. Each egg, subtly nestled under a leaf, is a potent symbol of potential. The hatching of an egg signifies the first triumph in our narrative. From within, a minuscule caterpillar appears, facing a world filled with challenges. This pivotal moment marks the start of a remarkable journey. Through an insatiable hunger, the caterpillar begins its path of growth, learning, and eventual transformation. Nourished by the lush surroundings, our protagonist, the caterpillar, thrives, embodying the essence of growth and destiny with each leaf consumed. This journey of feeding is not just about sustenance, but also about the preparation for what lies ahead. The formation of the chrysalis symbolizes the impending transformation, a mysterious and contemplative phase. Within this cocoon, a profound metamorphosis takes place, unseen yet pivotal, marking the caterpillar's transition into a new existence. This phase, central to our story, mirrors personal evolution, emphasizing that resilience and openness to change forge true strength. As the narrative progresses, we explore the butterfly's emergence, symbolizing not only a journey's conclusion, but the onset of a new chapter, defined by perseverance and renewal. Emerging from the chrysalis, our hero heralds a fresh start, embodying transformation and resilience. This significant transition from caterpillar to butterfly highlights the essence of change and personal growth. Tentatively, the butterfly unfurls its wings, embracing its first moments in a new reality. The inaugural flight represents more than a mere physical ascent. It's a celebration of perseverance, the embrace of new beginnings, and the courage to explore uncharted territories. In witnessing this transformation, we are reminded of nature's cycles, the beauty of adaptation, and the bright prospects that await those who dare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and change. This tale, emblematic of the metamorphosis, resonates with anyone navigating the paths of transformation and emergence.